Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, March 24th. When we are faced with a difficult emotion, we often seek ways to change how we feel, trying to logically outthink the emotional experience or putting our attention elsewhere. Attending to these moments with mindfulness requires some patience and compassion. By caring for the painful experience, you can allow yourself to feel it and see it with clarity. The exercise we're going to do today will help you practice being with the difficulty rather than pushing it away. So let's give it a go. Take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and soft, completely natural. As always, just notice how this natural breath flows through your body and how your body responds to it. Now take a moment to recall a challenging emotional experience such as anger, or maybe a difficult mental experience like racing thoughts, or perhaps an external experience like a stressful situation, or any other difficulty you may be facing during your day. Choose wisely though. For the purposes of this exercise, we don't want to select any experience that is super triggering. It's just a little practice. So please choose something just mildly challenging. But, sorry, but whatever it is for you, try to remember it in as much detail as possible in your body, in your heart, in your mind. The more you connect with the charged essence of the experience, the easier it will be to work with it. And first see what your natural reaction to this experience is. Are you trying to push it away, not to think of it, or rather outthink it, bringing logical explanations into the picture? If that's the case, instead, see if you can kind of lean into the experience, turn toward it. How might that feel? Now place your hands over your heart. This stimulates the vagus nerve, activating the parasympathetic nervous system, our built-in relaxation response. You may want to gently massage this area or tap on it. It may also help to cross your arms over your chest as if giving yourself a gentle hug. As always, experiment to see what makes more sense for you. Recognizing the pain, the suffering, and keeping your hands on your heart area, offer yourself a few kind phrases. These phrases will help you recognize the difficulty, turn toward it, and respond with compassion. This is a moment of suffering. I cannot avoid all suffering in life. May I care about the suffering? This is a moment of suffering. I cannot avoid all suffering in life. May I care about the suffering? Continue repeating these phrases to yourself a few more times with the intention of caring for the difficulty. And if the mind tries to fix the pain or solve the problem, gently return to the phrases and self-compassion instead. I'll be silent for about a minute. Now let go of the phrases and remove your hands from the chest. Notice how you feel now. The difficulty may not be gone from the short practice. You may need much longer. But remember, the phrases are always accessible throughout your day. You can always choose self-compassion. And now, as always, bring your hands to your heart again and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for being here, for trying this practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue experimenting with this practice whenever any difficulty or discomfort or pain arises. Just see how it works for you. This is a moment of suffering. I cannot avoid all suffering in life, but may I care about the suffering. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.